It's the Christmas season, and what better place to be for Christmas than Spencer County, Indiana, home of Santa Claus, Indiana, and Lincoln Amphitheater. Let's find out about events going on in Spencer County as Melissa Brockman has joined us from the Spencer County Visitors Center. I don't know why I'm having so much trouble saying that word, but we get it out. Spencer County is Christmas, isn't it, this time of year?
Yes. Santa Claus is Christmas year-round, but the entire county, and especially Santa Claus, goes all out during the first 3 weekends of December.
Okay, so there's this coming weekend is the first set of events going on, then next week, then next week. So you can go to Santa Claus 3 times.
Yes.
Okay, let's talk about that.
Well, this coming weekend, the first weekend of December, there is the International Fruitcake Eating Contest. That will be at the Santa Claus Legion and is always entertaining to watch. There's also the 5K. It's the Run Run Rudolph at Lake Rudolph Campground. And of course, they have the Santa Claus Land of Lights, which started last weekend, right after Thanksgiving. There's regular events that kind of repeat each weekend, like chestnuts roasting on an open fire at Santa's Candy Castle. You can write a letter to Santa at the Santa Claus Museum, and they have an event for the story of Santa Claus. It's an interactive storytelling event where you learn how Santa Claus got its name by participation. So that's a fun event that's on the first weekend this weekend and the third weekend of December there at the museum. Lots of shopping, Holly Tree Christmas Shop, Evergreen Boutique, gift shops at the Santa Claus Museum, Santa's Candy Castle. Of course, you can find Santa at the Santa Claus Christmas Store and do some shopping there. Photos with Rudolph. There's just a lot going on.
It's really mostly geared toward kids, I'm sure.
Yes, but kids of all ages.
Yes, okay, and that's just the first weekend.
Yes, that's the first weekend.
Now, what's the next weekend?
The second weekend is the traditional big weekend for Santa Claus. So that's the parade, which always draws in a lot of people to see the annual Santa Claus Christmas Parade. And then there's still events like the Chestnuts, Write a Letter, the Santa Claus Land of Lights, the Christmas Lake Village Festival of Lights kicks off that weekend. Lots of shopping, the craft show is that weekend, the Santa Claus Arts and Crafts, and that'll be all day on Saturday only this year.
Okay, and the Festival of Lights, is that Friday, Saturday, or is that?
That's Saturday.
Saturday,
and then it'll be the next Saturday too. So 2 Saturdays, 5 to 9, I think, and that's Central Time. That's the 9-mile residential lighting inside Christmas Lake Village.
And if you live in Christmas Lake, you have to decorate your house, is that right?
That's what we hope, yeah.
And doesn't each neighborhood take a theme of some
They
sort?
They do really good. My husband is in charge of that for our house, and so I'm hands off, but it gets decorated.
Okay.
So
What's your theme?
Our theme is lights.
Lights. Okay. Really? Okay. Well, that would make sense.
We just put lights up. We're not in one of the big themed areas. Okay. We're close to the shepherd theme, but not really. And so we just go with lights and whatever he feels like.
Whatever he wants. Is there a budget for him? He's got no budget, just spends what he wants.
Well, no budget as in just use what we have.
Okay. All right. Well, that'll work. And that is then not this weekend, that's next weekend when the Festival of Lights goes on.
And the following weekend.
And the following weekend. And this is really, I don't mean to say confusing, but there is a lot that goes on. And I'm sure there's a website that you can go to and find out what's going on.
There's a website where you can find our event guide, and you can find these outside of the Visitors Bureau as well as several attractions throughout Santa Claus that list out the 3 different events, or just listed on our events website, and it's santaclausind.org. And if you want to go right to the events, just put a /events, and you'll see all sorts of things going on.
Okay, now we're going to go through that website again, but first now let's talk about the third weekend, which is the weekend before Christmas.
Right.
Okay.
Yes, lots of events. That's your last opportunity to get your letter into Santa. The chestnuts roasted on an open fire. There's the second weekend of the Christmas Lake Village Festival of Lights. The Santa Claus Land of Lights is going on. Santa is still in town. He hasn't had to head to the North Pole yet, so if you haven't got your Santa photo yet, that's a good time. Last minute shopping, of course. The story of how Santa Claus got its name happens at the museum. And so there's still a lot going on that third weekend.
Now, Spencer County and Santa Claus have gotten national recognition as like the place to be for Christmas.
Yes, Travel Channel just named Santa Claus one of travel's best holiday attractions for 2014. So
Wow, that's a big deal.
that's this year. Last year it was CNN. The year before that it was Hotwire.com. So we love it. It's wonderful to for such a small rural Indiana town to get that kind of recognition.
Now, if folks are wanting to come to Santa Claus or Spencer County, is there a place to find out about hotels?
Yes, same website, SantaClausInd.org, and this time you can go /Christmas. That will take you to lodging specials, and sometimes it's a nice staycation, a getaway that's just really close with some good deals. And one thing we haven't mentioned yet, Scrooge's Christmas from
okay.
Lincoln Amphitheater is something that happens all 3 weekends. On Saturday, there's 3 different times. That's at the Heritage Hills High School Auditorium. It's from Lincoln Amphitheater. It's a play by Ken Jones, who does their premiere production, A Lincoln, A Pioneer Tale, and it is a wonderful 1-hour performance.
Okay, and do you need to get tickets in advance for that? Or that's probably just right at the door.
You
if
can
you
get
want.
tickets
Okay.
at the door, but it is cash. So that's always helpful to know.
And I think what we want to point out for folks is that as you mentioned, it's not at Lincoln Amphitheater, although it's Lincoln Amphitheater and the actors there putting it on, it is at Lincoln, Heritage Hills High School.
Right. We never know what the weather is going to do.
Sure.
So you don't want to be at that outdoor amphitheater if it snows or it's just a chilly, wintry day. It's safe to be indoors at the Heritage Hills Auditorium. But yes, it is Lincoln Amphitheater putting that production on.
Now, this is in Spencer County. Are you hoping that people in Spencer County participate in this, or are you looking more for people outside of Spencer County to come in?
All of the above.
Okay.
The more the merrier. It's
Sure.
Christmas.
Right.
As a local myself, I love going to all the events. I've got my little guy now, and I love taking him around so he can experience it all. It's also fun for family and friends from out of town to come in and experience some of these events. And it's a wonderful time of the year, and it's fun. It's so much fun to go around and, I mean, where else can you roast chestnuts
Right.
on a fire at Santa's Candy Castle, see Santa himself, learn the story of Rudolph through light displays? I mean, there's a lot.
And you can always spend time at the Christmas Museum.
Yes.
How much, if you're going to go to the Christmas Museum, how many hours or how much time should you think you're going to be there?
Well, it depends on who you're traveling with and what you're wanting. They have of course, it's the museum that tells the history of Santa Claus, Indiana. So you can look around that. That can take up to an hour if you're a history buff. And then they have the original post office there on site. That's where you can write your letter to Santa. Sometimes that takes a while to think of all the things you want to tell Santa are on your list. And then there's also the historic Santa Claus Church. They have some special music throughout, and you can tour the church. And then the 22-foot Santa statue is a wonderful photo op if the weather cooperates. So there's a lot going on right there.
Well, and the weather cooperating would be just a light snow.
Yes.
Would be just perfect for
With
Christmas.
some sunshine.
Yeah, that's
and-
right. Snow and sunshine. That's always
Yeah.
the best. Melissa, thank you very much for coming in.
Thank you for having me.
Christmas is in Spencer County in Santa Claus, Indiana, and make sure you stop by any of the 3 weekends coming up, this weekend, next weekend, or the weekend after. For more information, the website again.
SantaClausInd.org. Or just look up Santa Claus, Indiana, and we should be there on that first page.
Sure, very good. Thank you very much. Melissa Brockman is the Executive Director for the Spencer County Visitors Bureau.
There you
go.
go.
I got it out this time.
it.
Thank you for watching, and Merry Christmas from WJTS. We are local people watching local people.